In the past, when work orders changed, operators needed to change the product on the machines manually. Now, ILNB Auto Changeover automates the process of changing the whole line, including third-party machines like SPI, AOI, laser machines, and conveyors, and saves a lot of time. Automated systems like programmable logic controllers or distributed control systems coordinate the switch by controlling machines, sensors, and actuators. Unlike manual changeovers, which can be time-consuming and prone to error, auto changeover minimizes stoppages, which boost production efficiency. Auto changeover enables manufacturers to switch quickly between products or production modes, supporting just-in-time manufacturing or mass customization.